Number 21. Gain a reputation. It means to become known for something, typically over time.
He quickly gained a reputation for honesty. He quickly gained a reputation for honesty. The restaurant gained a reputation for excellent service. The restaurant gained a reputation for excellent service. She gained a reputation as a tough negotiator. She gained a reputation as a tough negotiator.
Number 22. Gather evidence. It means to collect information or data to support a case or understanding.
Detectives work hard to gather evidence. Detectives work hard to gather evidence. She gathered evidence for her science project. She gathered evidence for her science project. They needed to gather more evidence for the trial. They needed to gather more evidence for the trial.
Number 23. Gather speed. It means to increase speed gradually.
The train began to gather speed as it left. The train began to gather speed as it left. As it rolled downhill, the car gathered speed. As it rolled downhill, the car gathered speed. The runner gathered speed in the final lap. The runner gathered speed in the final lap.
Number 24. Get into conversation. It means to start talking or become involved in a discussion.
I got into a conversation on the bus. I got into a conversation on the bus. They got into a conversation about politics. They got into a conversation about politics. She got into a deep conversation with her mentor. She got into a deep conversation with her mentor.
Number 25. Get a degree. It means to complete a course of study at a university or college.
He plans to get a degree in biology. He plans to get a degree in biology. Many students get a degree to improve job prospects. Many students get a degree to improve job prospects. She got her degree from a renowned university. She got her degree from a renowned university.